Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a simple unboxing of the MacBook Pro M1. That's right, was a little hesitant to take this plunge. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. Not only that, there's an Intel 12th generation i9 that just dropped that's also outbenching the M1. So why did I go and pick it up? Well, two reasons. The first one, I really do want to dive into the M1 world, and I want to see what the differences are as far as functionality with a lot of the software and stuff like that, and to see the night and day difference with the processing and the GPU processing altogether. And then the second reason is Final Cut, and for apps that only run on the Apple platform. And so Final Cut, yeah, is my main one, and I use it with Effects Factory, Red Giant, Redshift. I'll also be showing you guys a case, a screen protector, and a keyboard cover that you can buy on Amazon. I'll post links in the description down below. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Oh, and just to let you guys know where I'm coming from, I'm coming from a 2012. So this has 16 gigs of RAM. It has a decent video card, but this newer one, it has 16 gigs of RAM unified, unlike the DDR 1600 that's in the 2012. And this one has 1 terabyte of storage. My 2012 has 2. I don't like the fact that we can't upgrade our devices anymore. The 2012 was fully upgradable. Hard drive, battery, memory. You could do it all on the 2012. Apple is taking away our right to repair. They want you to buy and get all the upgrades from the beginning to the new generation, that doesn't know what it's like to freely be able to upgrade and repair your computers. It's really sad. I feel like Apple should really consider, going back and allowing us to upgrade our own devices, but that's just me. You're gonna pay $3,000 for a computer. You want to be able to do anything with it, at least replace the battery. Come on, since when do we have devices now we can't even change the battery? That's just ridiculous. So anyways, let's begin. Alright, we got the plastic off. And then we'll just get a lift. The model on this one is the A2485. So yeah, so we've got the charge cable here and charger. There isn't much to it, right? That's pretty much all Apple devices. You just get the charger and the device. And a headphone if you're lucky. But of course, we've never seen headphones with a computer. Alright, so everything is out of the box. Let's go ahead and put this on the top. Alright, so we can have a nice little platform here. Yep, and here is my new MacBook Pro 16-inch. This is the 16-inch model. So we've got memory card, USB-C Thunderbolt, we've got HDMI, We've got two USB Thunderbolt on this side, plus the charge port, and we do have a headphone jack. I'm very surprised by that. I did not think that I was going to receive a headphone jack. That's awesome. Alright. So let's go ahead and pop on this case. So the case that I got, it says Unicorn Beetle, and it's by Sup Case. I'm gonna put the link down below. But this was a heavy duty case that was cheaper than what was in Best Buy. If you go to Best Buy, they had the in case, and this is 60 bucks. The other one is only 37. It might be more or less, but still cheaper. And not only that, upon looking at the build quality, it just appeared to be like a more of a rugged case. I mean, look at that. Look at that compared to this clear, regular plastic flimsy case, right? It's just a piece of clear plastic, and this has, you know, some raised edges, give you some extra protection there. So yeah, so this is gonna be pretty easy, I assume. Okay, so we have film on the inside. We've got to peel away. And then we just pop it on. There you go, nothing to it, guys. Very easy. And it turned on as soon as I lifted the cover. You heard that. What I'm gonna do is fold it back down. Make sure all the edges are pushed down appropriately. And then we can peel this plastic off. So that is the top. Yep, everything is clipped. You gotta make sure the edges are fully clipped down. There we go. And so now we're gonna flip it over so we can do the back. And so the back is real simple too as well. There's a clip, two little clip pieces back there. Put towards the back of the computer and then bring it forward and push down. Push down on the sides and you can hear it click. And then there's another piece. Is there another piece of film on here? No. And that's it. But there's a little piece of dust that got there. Let me see if I can get rid of that.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
so we got all the dust off. So let's go ahead and just press it back down. Alright, so we got all the dust off. Let's go ahead and press it back down. And there we have it, guys. So now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put on the screen protector. Well, let's put on the keyboard cover, right? Keyboard cover is easy. Doesn't have any name, just a regular keyboard cover. Just gonna flip up the computer like that. There we go. Put the computer back down. Okay, now we got the screen protector. Alright, so it says front and then the red is back. So the back goes towards the screen, front goes towards you. And so this screen protector is made by Untitled. You got a lot of funny names on Amazon with all these companies. So I guess now they just think of the first company name that comes to mind. Alright. So, of course, we've got, you know, a cloth for cleaning, and then we've got this dust remover, and we've got the sticker guides. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, I just wanted to set it up and angle it better. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the computer because I feel like I can see the screen a lot better. I turned it off by just holding down this corner power button right here, which is the fingerprint button as well. And so now I'm just looking at it from an angle, trying to see. So I can see some fingerprints. And I don't see any dust. I see maybe just one little dust in the middle. But other than that, since it's a brand new screen, there's pretty much no dust on it. Just little particles, but those are just little room particles, right? Easy to get off. Alright, this screen is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and peel the back off. And then yeah, so let me just see how this is gonna go. Okay. So we could pretty much use the corner round edges as a guide when we put it on. So let's do that. Alright, so let's peel it off. Okay, it turned on again. I don't know how it turned on. I guess when you touch the keyboard or the mouse. Alright, that's it guys. I got the screen protector on. It's got a nice matte finish. I don't think you can really see it too much from where you're at. But that's it. Great. I'm protected against all types of debris and stuff. And I'm ready to set up my MacBook Pro. So I just want to thank you guys for joining me for this video, for this simple unboxing and setup. And that's it guys. So yeah, until the next video, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. If you have any thing that you would like to state about the new M1 that I might be interesting that I didn't know about, go ahead, comment it below. And until next time guys.